This pizza is out of this world. It is simple, delicious. The Traeger smoking effect really gives it an extra level of flavor. I like to use something stronger like mesquite pellets. It's so good on this. So today I'm going to show you start to finish how to make Margherita pizza on the Traeger smoker grill. Preheat a pizza stone or a sheet tray in the smoker at 500 degrees Fahrenheit. Now I am the queen of making pizza from scratch, and I swear that you have to let it sit out for at least 2 hours before making it to come up to room temperature. I like to dust the dough all over with a little bit of flour, and I find it easier to lay down a large sheet of parchment paper and then use a lightly flour dusted rolling pin to roll it out in a circular shape. This is going to make it so much easier to transfer to the pizza stone. Once the stone is preheated, it's time to add the pizza dough. So first brush on some olive oil on the pizza stone directly, then lay the dough on top. Brush a little more olive oil around the crust of the pizza, and for some extra flavor, sprinkle on a little garlic salt on top. Add the pizza dough to the smoker to par bake for about 3 minutes, and I love this step because it helps the dough set so the pizza toppings don't make it soggy. Spread your favorite marinara sauce in the center of the pizza, leaving a little edge for the crust, and I like to add some Italian seasoning, about 3/4 teaspoon, just to add a little bit brightness and more flavor to the sauce. Now it's time for the simple toppings, and you could use shredded mozzarella cheese, but buying one of these nice fresh balls of mozzarella really gives it that Margherita pizza vibe. That's all you need for now. So once you add the discs of mozzarella cheese on top, pop the pizza back in the smoker at 500 degrees Fahrenheit for about 10 to 12 minutes until that cheese becomes nice and bubbly. The crust should be golden brown as well, and the bottom should be completely done since you par baked it. Now it's time to add the toppings of some fresh basil leaves and some crushed red pepper. Follow along the SipBiteGo YouTube channel to get all my favorite smoker pizza recipes like this grilled tri-tip. Once your pizza is done, let it rest a little bit, slice it up, and enjoy. You can print out all the recipe steps at SipBiteGo.com.